Welcome to StudioBinder. Once all of your elements have been identified, you can view various reports and share them with your team. Reports are vital to pre-production as they are the inventory list and essential elements for each department. To begin, go here and click Reports. The drop-down here lets you view your various reports. The first report, Breakdown Summary, shows you an overall picture of your identified elements and notes in script order. You can filter what you see on this report here. Scene Details show you the scene header, the first action line in that scene, and the shoot location if you've already assigned one. Scene Notes are the manually added notes added at the bottom of the scene's breakdown page. Elements are the identified production requirements for your scenes that were tagged in each scene's breakdown. Boneyard will allow you to view the archive scenes that were hidden from view on your stripboard page. Scene Page Breaks, which adds page breaks before every scene when printing or saving the page as a PDF. This is handy if you want to start a fresh page for every scene. Day Page Breaks. Add page breaks at the start of every day if you added day breaks on your stripboard page. This comes into play when viewing a shooting schedule. Below Breakdown Summary is your element list, which will show each individual element and each scene it's linked to. By default, we display all elements, but you can filter by breakdown categories in the sidebar here. The next report is our all-important shooting schedule, which is similar to your breakdown report, but is organized in the order of your stripboard. It includes the day out of days, shoot date, and total pages for that day, along with any note banners you may have added. The sidebar will allow you to jump to a particular scene or day. Up top, you can filter your report by day here. Of course, you can also use the standard filters like Scene Details, Scene Notes, Elements, Boneyard, as well as adding Scene Page Breaks and Day Page Breaks. So if you remove all but your scene details, your shooting schedule becomes a streamlined one-liner schedule. Bear in mind, this report will only appear once you've built a shooting schedule with your stripboard and added at least one day break to mark the end of a day. We cover day breaks in our stripboard tutorial video. Back in the Reports panel, you have your Day Out of Days report, also known as a Dude report. The Dude report shows you exactly on which days you need a specific element. Check marks indicate if a particular element is needed for a particular day. Dude reports are most commonly used for scheduling cast. When it comes to cast, your Dude report is very important. You will see your entire cast along with their cast ID number located here. If you've added any day breaks on your stripboard, we automatically identify all of the shoot days for your cast. The letters SWHF stand for Start, Work, Hold, and Finish. So the SW cell means that this cast member will start work on this day. And this cell stands for Work Finished, which indicates that your cast member has completed all of their scenes and will no longer be needed for production. An H, like this, stands for Hold. This indicates that your cast member may not be needed on set, but you'd like them to remain available. The cast member will most likely be paid for this day. You can toggle hold days on and off on every row by clicking here. An empty cell like this one here indicates that your cast member won't be needed for the day and won't need to be paid for this day of production. In this case, a cast member shows SWF, which means they will start work and finish their work in a single day. If you need to adjust the SWF for a cast member, visit the stripboard page and reorder the strips accordingly. The Dude report will update to reflect the changes in your stripboard. And that's how a Dude report works. See you later, dude. The next report in our list is the Unique Daily Elements report, which shows you an overview of your element needs based on your shooting days. This report removes any duplicate entries so you have a streamlined list of elements required for that day. As always, you can filter via your sidebar here. Like most pages in StudioBinder, you can share reports here. You can review comments and mark them as completed. If you want to print, you can do so here. If you wish to generate a PDF for your records in the print pop-up, change your destination to save it as a PDF. Note that any PDF or share link you make will be based on your filters at the time you generate your report. Make sure to set your desired filters before you do this. In the next video, we'll show you how to manage, duplicate, and merge elements effectively. Stay tuned.